Leveling surveyors play a crucial role in the development of Faridabad city. Faridabad, a rapidly growing city in India, is known for its industrial and commercial sectors. With the rapid growth and development, the need for accurate measurements and leveling of land has become paramount. Leveling surveyors in Faridabad city are responsible for ensuring that construction projects are built on a level ground, minimizing any potential risks or errors in the construction process. The work of leveling surveyors involves the use of specialized equipment and techniques to measure the elevation and contours of the land. They carefully assess the topography of the area to determine the most suitable locations for construction projects. This ensures that buildings are constructed on a level surface, preventing any structural issues or safety hazards in the future. By conducting precise leveling surveys, these professionals help in creating a safe and stable environment for both residential and commercial structures. SCON Design is one of the leading firms offering comprehensive leveling surveyor services in Faridabad city. With their expertise and experience, they provide accurate and reliable surveying solutions to clients across various sectors. SCON Design understands the importance of precise measurements and leveling in construction projects and ensures that every aspect is taken into consideration. Their team of skilled surveyors uses state-of-the-art equipment and advanced techniques to carry out detailed surveys. They meticulously map out the terrain, taking into account any variations or irregularities in the land. By doing so, they are able to provide accurate data that architects, engineers, and construction professionals can rely on. SCON Design also offers customized solutions to meet the specific needs of their clients. In the growth of the city of Faridabad, leveling surveyors are essential. The industrial and commercial sectors are well known in the constantly expanding Indian city of Faridabad. The requirement for precise measures and land leveling has become critical due to the increasing growth and development. Leveling surveyors in the city of Faridabad are in charge of making sure that construction projects are erected on level ground, reducing any potential risks or mistakes in the construction process. In order to determine the elevation and contours of the terrain, leveling surveyors utilize specific tools and methods. To find the best sites for construction projects, they thoroughly analyze the terrain of the region. By ensuring that structures are built on a level surface, future structural problems and safety dangers are avoided. These experts aid in establishing a secure atmosphere for both residential and commercial constructions by carrying out accurate leveling surveys. In the city of Faridabad, SCON Design is one of the top businesses providing all-inclusive leveling surveyor services. They provide clients in a variety of industries precise and dependable surveying solutions thanks to their knowledge and skills. SCON Design recognizes the need of accurate measurements and leveling in construction projects and makes sure that every factor is taken into account.